Hi guys, Farnell here. I'm here with Ninja. Just want to talk to you about someone who I treated who had his ulnar nerve pain. What he had done was he had hit his elbow hard against a hard surface, and he felt just a tingling, a sharp pain down his arm to his ring finger and his pinky. And over the course of a couple of days, it shifted back to his neck where the nerve comes out from CAT1. Anyway, so I had a go at treating his nerve, found out where the pain points were, treated those, and then we did a nerve flossing, which I'll show you later. We'll enact it with Ninja, how it can help you. So the first thing I did was, after I worked out where the pain points were, was I wanted to work at his muscle called flexor carpi ulnaris. So all I did was I just pin down the muscle and just wait till he's comfortable and apply pressure and just make sure, is the pressure okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah,
and all I'll do is just go down to flexor carpi. So I'll do that once. Now it always helps to get a bit of wax on your hands so you can actually glide easier. So I'll get some, I'll put it in my hand, that'll be better. Okay, so when we're doing this, I'll start again, take two. So here we go.
1, 2.
That's better, that's much better. I just move very slowly, just to release any entrapment that the nerve may be in, to give it freedom. Okay, so what I will do now, I normally go slower than that, but for the purpose of this, I'm just showing you. But what I'm going to ask Ninja to do is basically do an ulnar flexion, okay, deviation, all right? Here we go. Ready? As I move, go. Keep on doing it.
Slowly or?
Slowly, yeah, just move and move. Now move toward down, that's it. Just keep on going. Just keep on going. That will just release that muscle. Any tension that you may be feeling there, just to melt it all away.
It's interesting that when I hold it that way and then it just, because you're pushing pressure on there,
yes,
makes it come back like that.
Yeah.
I don't even have to do anything.
Yeah.
It pulls it.
Do that. You're right?
Yeah, that's
okay,
good. Yeah.
That's good. Okay.
That's where the action is, man.
Yeah, so I'll just do it again. Just once more. Keep on doing that. Just active movement by you. Good. Keep on. Okay. Keep going. That's it. That's it. Keep going. Good. Now what I want you to do after we finish this, I want you to do the opposite way. That's it. Okay, now ready? So you're going to go the opposite way, okay?
Try and go more
Yeah,
that way.
that's right. Ready? So start, go. Do that. Come out, come back, and then go back. Come back. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Keep going, do it.
Wow.
Keep doing it.
Good stuff in there, mate.
Yeah. So when he, we always do that every now and then. I'm sure everyone has experienced when you hit your elbow and you feel that sharp pain, that awkward pain. There's nothing humorous about it, but you do hit your humerus bone, of course. And where the nerve comes around your elbow there, it's just underneath thin skin. That's why it hurts so much. So it's not embedded in the muscle. Okay, once more.
That's why they call it the funny bone.
That's why they call it the funny bone. Nothing funny about the pain, though, I tell you.
Weren't you the one that come up with that?
Fun. Yeah, it's good to
showing
think
your age?
Yeah. No, my metabolic age is 47, thank
47, you're a young man. Fancy, you're even younger now, aren't you?
Younger, mate. I'm looking, I'm getting a facelift soon.
Yeah. You don't need one, mate. You drink from the fountain of youth.
Oh, that's right. That's the idea.
Yeah. Whoa. On
And I just-
purpose, you stay young.
Yeah, and I've just come out of a 7-day fast,
Yeah.
and the last 3 days were just a water diet. And initially, it looked like you're at the bottom of the mountain, you're going to climb it up, and you're wondering how the heck you're going to do it. But I did it.
Yeah.
I'm really pleased with that, and just seeing how your body can cope with that food, and I actually saw food differently. I saw so much junk around me that I just became aware of, and it just didn't interest me. Like I'm thinking,
food,
my
is
goodness,
it?
it's not.
It's not nourishment.
All processed food that we're putting in our body, which ultimately will have an effect on our health.
It will.
I know.
Clogs us up,
Oh yeah,
doesn't it?
but to be able to detox and through that whole process, great experience.
Yeah.
Actually, if you've never done a fast, do it. You will love it. You will love it.
We love the results.
Exactly.
It's challenging.
Exactly.
And the thing to remember, when it is challenging, uncomfortable, that's when it's working.
That's when it's working. Exactly.
Yeah, your body
Exactly.
knows how to clean out the garbage. It knows
Yeah.
how to, heal things.
Exactly.
It's
Exactly.
innate in us to heal. We cut ourselves, we don't have to think about it, it just does it. And the same when we kind of leave it alone without the distraction of digesting, because there's so much energy taken up with digestion.
Yeah.
And it's the priority because it's got to get that thing that's foreign out of us, collect,
Exactly.
assimilate it, get the nourishment out, but then get rid of the waste.
Oh, that's exactly.
Yeah, but when it doesn't have to do that work, it can go, okay, I can do some cleaning. So
All right.
that's what we're all about.
We certainly are. All right, Ninja, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you stand up, please. And we're going to do this, the nerve flossing. So one technique that I used with this person I treated was basically to have your arm straight like that.
Yeah.
So then you flex it to 90 degrees. Then you rotate your hand and flex it in towards your shoulder. And then come back to 90 degrees. Rotate your hand and then straight. Okay, and do that. That. In. That's it.
Feel that
That. Okay, one more will do. And rotate. In.
That's where you feel it.
Yeah, rotate. And that. And that. Okay. So if you are experiencing any nerve pain, like that shooting pain, like electric pain down your arm, you can try that nerve flossing that I just showed. But if you're still experiencing pain and you're not right, come and see us and we'll treat you, find out where the entrapment areas are and try to help you have relief and continue to do what you're doing. Okay? Thanks guys.
Done.